Found a TU file from your AVG TuneUp installation and curious what it does? This is a Windows Logon screen customization theme used by the Optimization Suite. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through applying and managing these AVG TuneUp Logon screen themes. Here's a habit I've developed. I always keep a dedicated third-party file viewer installed. It's perfect for quickly troubleshooting basic TU file rejection errors. Watch for more info on my top pick. A TU file is a theme file used by AVG TuneUp, formerly TuneUp Utilities, to customize the Windows Logon screen. Users download or create these files to change the background image and appearance of the screen where they enter their password. It's a popular way to personalize the Windows user experience. The TU file is a proprietary binary container, likely a compressed archive. It packages image resources, like BMP or JPG files for the background, and configuration data that instructs the TuneUp software on how to modify the necessary Windows registry keys, and system files to apply the new Logon theme safely. AVG TuneUp, developed by AVG Technologies, is often used as the source validator for TU. Windows does not offer the necessary repair tools if the file header is damaged or malicious. Windows displays configuration details, but interpreting them requires specialized knowledge. We're checking for file signature recognition. Right-click your TU file and click Open With. If AVG TuneUp is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We need to find the correct application hook. If your TU file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. We've isolated the failure to one of 3 common causes. Here's a concise breakdown of the most likely culprits and the specific action required to check them. First, applying with TuneUp Styler. Install AVG TuneUp and open the TuneUp Styler module from the main interface. Use the import or apply function to load the TU file, which registers the theme with the Logon screen system. Restart Windows or sign out to see the new Logon background image applied to your login screen. Next, extracting image resources. Rename the TU file to .zip or .cab and open with 7-zip to inspect contents. Theme packages typically contain JPEG or PNG images you can extract for use elsewhere. This approach lets you reuse Logon background artwork even without AVG TuneUp installed on the target system. Finally, manual Logon customization. If AVG TuneUp is not installed, customize the Windows Logon screen directly through Windows Settings, then Personalization, then Lock Screen. Set background images and slideshow folders matching the artwork from the TU file. Modern Windows versions provide native Logon customization without needing third-party theme tools. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.